Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. Some years ago I had this idea for quite a big project, but I was really insecure about it and I wasn't sure if I could make that project happen on my own. But since it was really important to me, I just kept going and I kept working on it. So this is part of the Tamara Mascara eyelash collection. This is model number 1, it's called Tamara, and it is just one of 8 different styles that I will show to you in 8 single videos. And these eyelashes are out of a synthetic fiber that imitates mink hair, and they are really fluffy, lightweight, super comfortable to wear, and extremely durable. I washed my own sample like 10 times, but I was wearing them for about 20 times. The box is coming in this beautiful black and gold design, and if you open them up, you can see the lashes on this golden background. So today I will show you a look where I use these eyelashes, the model number 1 called Tamara, and it's also going to be one of my key looks. Let's call it sassy, classy, glam. And if you want to know more about my eyelash collection, just keep on watching my channel or follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. And now let's get the party started. I'm starting my makeup by patting in the foundation primer Blemishless by Laura Mercier. I'm starting to fill my brows in with the Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade by NYX Professional Makeup in the shade Chocolate. Then I go over the tail of my brows with the Eyebrow Gel by NYX Professional Makeup in the color Black. And I'm finishing my brows off with Brow Colorist, the semi-permanent brow mascara by Catrice. For my foundation I use 2 different shades of Kryolan TV Paint Stick, NB and G178. I use the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer by NYX Professional Makeup in the shade 02 to correct any darkness underneath my eyes and also to clean up the edges around my eyebrows. To set my foundation I'm using the loose setting powder in the color Translucent by Laura Mercier. Alright, let's snatch that face. I'm using Makeup Revolution London's Ultimate Blush Light and Contour Palette 2018, which I'm obsessed with. Blushing just like a real woman with the Gingerly Blush by MAC. For my signature look, I'm using 2 different red lipsticks to create depth in the color. They're both Fluid Velvet Matte Lipsticks by Deborah Milano. Alright, so the backdrop for our eye look is done, and I think we're ready to get this party started too. For my signature eye makeup, I'm using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm starting to map out my eye makeup with the shade Dusty Rose. I'm defining the crease with the shade Rustic. With a smaller eyeshadow brush and the shades Cypress Umber and Noir, I'm creating depth, definition and darkness on the smoky eye. I'm using Kat Von D's Lock It Concealer in the color Whiteout to create a soft halo. And while the concealer is still tacky, I'm going over it with Double Gleam Highlighter by MAC, the same one that I used on my cheekbones. I'm blending the eyeliner out without any additional products first. Then I go in with tiny amounts of black eyeshadow to create more darkness. Alright, so as you can see, we're nearly done with the eye look. What I did is I created a backdrop for the lashes. So as you can see, in the middle the lashes are shorter and on the outside they're longer and also a little bit fuller. So what I did is I kind of did a replica of the lash look on my eye. Now I will create a liquid eyeliner, a totally classic dramatic cat eye, and then we are ready to apply the lashes. Alright, so the eye makeup is completely finished and now it's time to put these babies on. I will use these special tweezers that you can also get in my store, and these are eyelash application tweezers and they're making the application of eyelashes so much easier. I'm applying a thin line of glue on the lash band. Do not use too much glue because these lashes are lightweight, they don't need a lot. I'm placing it on the outer corner first, and then I'm going in with the tweezer again, pressing it onto the inner corner, and I like to move the outer part upwards, so I'm getting the maximum cat eye effect. Alright, and now we can clearly see the difference, and this is what I wanted to show to you. This is what these eyelashes are doing to your makeup. The difference is so significant. So I mean, the warmth of it all and the softness of the look, and on this side, I mean, you know, nah. So I would say this is like lingerie for your eyes. Alright, let me put the second eyelash on too, and then I'm back for the final words. Alright, so this is the finished look for model number 1, Tamara, in the Tamara Mascara eyelash collection, and I think the lashes are complementing the look and the look is complementing the lashes. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching this, and I really hope that you will watch all the other videos from my eyelash collection, and don't forget to press thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and go to my shop and get those eyelashes.